not just a war between the US and Iran. This is a warning of a global economic shock. If this conflict doesn't stop, oil could explode to $150 per barrel, and the biggest impact it will be your pocket. Yes, the biggest impact it will be your pocket. The situation in the Middle East is spiraling out of control. The United States and its allies are launching continuous strikes. Iran is responding with missiles and drones. This is no longer tension. This is active warfare. And the most dangerous part, there is no clear end in sight. Here is the biggest twist. Now the US has delayed major strikes on Iran's energy facilities. But don't misunderstand it. This is not de-escalation. This is strategic timing, because if oil infrastructure is hit, the global energy system could collapse overnight. Meanwhile, Iran has clearly rejected US ceasefire conditions. This is where things get truly dangerous. Strait of Hormuz is now under threat. This single route carries nearly 20% of the world's oil supply. If this gets blocked, oil prices are already crossing $100 per barrel. The economic impact is already visible. Inflation is rising. The inflation is rising globally. Markets are becoming unstable. Recession fears are back. Experts are warning this could be the biggest energy crisis in decades. And once inflation rises, everything becomes expensive everywhere. Now let's talk about India. India imports over 80% of its oil. So if war continues, petrol and diesel prices could surge dramatically. LPG cylinders become more expensive. Transportation cost increase. Food and daily essentials get costlier. This is a direct hit on the middle class. This is not distant geopolitics anymore. This is personal. There are millions of Indians working in the Middle East. If the war escalates, their safety becomes a concern. Jobs could be affected. Another major twist, not all global powers are fully backing the US. Some countries are stepping back. Alliances are being tested. At the same time, Iran is open to talks, but only on its own terms. Trust is broken. Diplomacy is fragile. Here is the biggest fear right now. If the US attacks Iran oil infrastructure, Iran could block Hormuz completely. And if that happens, global oil supply collapse, prices explode, economic chaos begins. This war could go regional to global. So the question is, are we heading toward a global economic crisis? Will India face a massive price shock, or can diplomacy still stop this? Yes, can diplomacy still stop this disaster? Tell me your opinion in the comments, and for more explosive update, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.